I want to tell you a little secret. The stock market is going to crash. It's going to crash. I'm a finance professor. I've been teaching college students for a long time. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I get asked all the time, is the stock market ever going to crash? And should we be worried about it? And I say, absolutely yes. The market is definitely going to crash. But let me tell you the good news. The market crashes all the time. It's been crashing for the last 100 years, and it always recovers. It always does well. People always make money. These are some of the little secrets that people don't know about the market that keeps people away from the number one method for building wealth that exists in this society. And I want to get you started on investing in the stock market, and I want to get you started absolutely free. I have a free training that you can watch right now that will allow you to learn how to invest in the stock market in about 10 minutes. And you can get started. It's going to make a big difference in your life, a difference in the lives of your kids, a difference in the lives of your grandchildren as well. I know what I'm talking about. I've written books. I've spoken all over the world on this topic, and I've been teaching at Syracuse University, the Ohio State University, etc. So feel free to give it a try. Won't cost you a penny. Just get started now because, again, like I said, the market's going to crash. But that doesn't mean that you and your family can't build wealth from the stock market. I can show you all the secrets, all the things that made you afraid, all the things that have confused you. All that's going to go away. Just click that little button and get started. Take care. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins. God bless you. I'm the founder of the Black Business School. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.